Cultivating Thoughts, the art of gardening your mind. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating metaphor, gardening your mind. Just like a garden requires care, your mind also needs attention and nurturing to grow positively. This concept helps us understand how to cultivate a healthy mental environment. Let's explore how to apply this in our daily lives and why it's beneficial for language learners and beyond. Gardening your mind is a metaphor that compares the mind to a garden. Just as a garden needs weeding, planting, and caring to thrive, your mind needs similar attention. Weeding represents removing negative thoughts. Planting is about introducing new, positive ideas, and caring involves maintaining a healthy mindset through continuous learning and self-reflection. Negative thoughts can be like weeds in a garden. If left unattended, they can spread and take over. To weed your mind, start by recognizing harmful patterns of thinking. Practice mindfulness or meditation to become more aware of your thoughts. Challenge these negative thoughts by asking yourself if they're truly accurate and replace them with more positive, realistic ones. Just as you plant seeds in a garden, you can plant new, constructive ideas in your mind. This can be especially powerful for language learners. Embrace new vocabulary, grammar structures, and cultural insights. Curiosity and open-mindedness are your tools for planting. Engage with diverse learning resources, such as books, podcasts, and videos, to expose yourself to different perspectives and ideas. Caring for your garden involves regular maintenance and nourishment. Similarly, your mental garden flourishes with ongoing care. This includes practicing gratitude, setting goals, and engaging in lifelong learning. Don't forget to water your garden with positive affirmations and celebrate your growth. For language learners, this could mean acknowledging every small step of progress in your language journey. We hope this exploration of gardening your mind enriches your approach to personal growth and language learning. Remember, a well-tended garden provides a beautiful and fruitful bounty, just as a well-cared-for mind leads to a fulfilling and positive life. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to nurturing our minds together. Keep gardening your thoughts and watch them bloom beautifully.